Oh my God. Hey y'all. It's your girl Queen V straight from Vel's Caucasians. And look what I got today. We are going to have a new author in store straight from the US Virgin Islands. You know, I gotta support my VI people. His name is Rick S. Grant and the box just came. I can't wait to see what we have in here, these boxes. Let me try and get this thing open. Lord of mercy. I'm so excited. So I want to open. Let's see. I'm excited to have his books and products in store. It arrived. Rick, it's here. Oh my God, it's here. Let's see what we have, guys. Oh my God, this is going to be such a blessing to the community here. You know, and Rick tells secrets. There's so many of y'all so talented and you're not telling me. Look at this. This is exciting. My first Spanish book in store, and it's a children's book. Cuando soplan vientos de tormenta por Rick Grant, ilustrado por Anabel Alfonso. I hope my Spanish was good, and it's a beautiful children's book. Y'all see this? It's gonna be in store. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let's see what else I found. Let's see. What else we got in here? Oh my gosh. I know he's gonna freak when he sees this video because I love it. And so we have it in English. When storm winds blow. Look at those illustrations, y'all. Like, I am so excited. Like, this is going to be a good look. Vel's Caucasians is so happy to have this kind of talent in store. You know, see me. You want your stuff in consignment? Hit me up. Health and safety for you and me. Listen, I don't know who this illustrator is, but I need to hook them up with some of my children's book. This artwork is spectacular. Health and safety for you and me. Are those mangoes? You know I love my kidney mango. Loving this one too, Rick. Oh my God. Darling, you hook me up. This is what we do. Ooh, this last one. Let's see what this one is. Cuando yo crezca. I need to practice my Spanish, okay? Yo crezca. I know I'm saying that wrong. But let me tell you something. My Hispanic community is going to love this. Look at the illustrations, y'all. It's the illustrations for me. It is the illustrations for me because one thing about children's books, when you have them write illustrations, right? It just makes the story, oh, they don't want to come out. It makes the story come to life. And look at this one. Where I live. Ooh, yes, sir, the Virgin Islands, people. Where I live. Listen, Rick, you keep secrets from your girl. And it's in Spanish too. Donde yo vivo. What is this? Rick, you kept secrets from me. I had to find out by accident you is an author. Yes, you is an author. Guys, these will be on our store shelves soon, okay? In store, and I'm setting up the online shop to sync with the store. So soon you'll be able to buy online and ship wherever, or buy online and pick up in store. Come and see me. We open till 7, 3432 Deltona Boulevard, Spring Hill, Florida. Love y'all. Like, share, comment. Peace.